Hey everyone, welcome back. With the release of iOS 26, Apple has introduced a long-awaited feature, native support for transferring an eSIM between iPhone and iPad devices and vice versa. This new functionality streamlines the process of moving your mobile number across platforms without needing to contact your carrier. Some users running iOS 26 have reported spotting a new transfer to Android option under the cellular settings menu. While not available for every carrier or plan just yet, one Reddit user on US mobiles, Darkstar eSIM, confirmed seeing this option enabled on their device. In addition, when adding an eSIM in iOS 26, users are now presented with a transfer from Android option. Selecting it generates a QR code which can be scanned with an Android phone to begin the transfer. Similarly, transferring from iPhone to Android involves scanning a QR code on the iPhone using an Android device. This enhanced eSIM functionality seems to be a collaborative effort between Apple and Google. Prior to iOS 26 release, a beta version of Android 16 included hints of a cross-platform eSIM transfer feature labeled Transfer to Android. Previously, in iOS 18 and earlier, eSIM transfers were only seamless between iPhones. Moving an eSIM from iPhone to Android typically required carrier intervention and manual QR code generation. With iOS 26, switching between platforms becomes much more convenient, especially for those looking to transition without jumping through technical hoops.